Hi, for today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up our Google integration to sync contacts, activities and tasks between Google and OpenCRM. Once your system admin has turned on the sync globally, you can enable this for your user. Click on My Account and then select the Google to OpenCRM button. You can now authorize access by doing the following. Click to sign in with Google and then select to allow the sync. This generates the access key which you can paste into your OpenCRM settings. And we can now configure the sync. As you can see, this screen contains a detailed explanation as to what each setting does. If you want to include a sync of your tasks, enable this setting and choose whether you want to sync the tasks to your calendar or Google task list. Once you're done, enable the sync and then you're configured. Now that the integration is set up, I'll show you some examples of data syncing. To begin with, if I add a new contact in Google, so if I refresh this screen, you can see that that contact has now synced across to OpenCRM. I'll now create an activity for this contact to show you how this gets synced to Google. As you can see, this is the call that we created in OpenCRM. I'm now going to create a new task in Google and show you how that syncs to OpenCRM. Here in OpenCRM, you can see the task has been added. So if I now edit the task in here, you'll see the changes get updated in Google. Deleting activities or tasks also works with the sync. If I delete this in Google, you'll see it disappears from my task list in OpenCRM. Thanks for watching.